Hi, John Hotchkis here. On today's Hotchkis Sports Suspension Inside Look, we're going to see some details of some products. Products that will make your muscle car or performance truck handle even better and drive incredibly well. Today we have a brand new product to show you. It's our Lower Crossmember Brace for 64 to 70 Mustangs. Performance driving, whether it's on the street or track, or actually even cruising, today's tires on classic muscle cars demand much more chassis strength. We talk about our subframe connectors, giving the chassis, really reducing the twist on the chassis. We have upgraded springs for Mopar's upgraded torsion bars, leaf springs. For whatever it is, we want to make sure that that chassis is as rigid as possible because that gives you the great driver feedback that you need. So imagine sitting in the seat, you're driving along and the chassis is loose and flexible. You have great grippy performance tires. You turn and you're just not getting the feedback. The car is wiggling and wobbling. It just doesn't make for a great driving experience. So we're going to show you a new product today for Mustangs that helps with that chassis rigidity. So imagine this is the front of your Mustang, engine, trans, oil pan. Here's the front mounts to the lower arms. The brace bolts up. There are pre-existing holes in the chassis, so bolts go through here. This is where the lower arms are again. And then this spreads the load from one side of the chassis to the other, strengthening, supporting the Mustang front end. Okay, so again, supplied hardware right up through here, right up into the chassis, existing holes in the chassis. Also included with our lower crossmember mount are our special locking plates for the lower arm. Now this is great because it takes the place of the eccentric bolts. Those actually move when enough pressure is put on. But we have multiple areas with our locking plates that allow the camber to be adjusted and it stays secure. Once our lower crossmember brace is installed, locking plates are on at the right camber, everything is set, then you can go out and really enjoy your Mustang because you know that the chassis is stiff enough, you have great driver control and great feedback. Our lower crossmember brace combined with our complete TVS suspension package for Mustang, including our subframe connectors, is just what you need for a great driving experience. Imagine entering a corner off the throttle, turning in and getting good balance with the car, the ability to get on the throttle, get good drive off the corner grip, or just cruising your favorite road where your car is really rigid, solid, and giving you great feedback. That's what these products do, and that's what this will do to your Mustang. We hope you've enjoyed another segment of Hotchkis Inside Look. If you have questions on any of these products, want more technical information, distributor information, whatever it is, please go to hotchkis.net or give us a call at 562-907-7757. Also, if you're on Instagram, check out our new Drive with Hotchkis hashtag. That's where so many of our customers gather to show their cool cars. Until then, I'm John Hotchkis, and thank you for watching.